Today I'm going to show you how to sign out of Amazon Music. This is particularly useful if you're using a shared computer or simply want to ensure your account stays secure when you're done listening. First, let's start by opening your web browser. Once it's open, navigate to music.amazon.com. This will take you directly to the Amazon Music web player. Go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Simply enter your credentials when prompted and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Amazon Music homepage where you can see all your playlists, recently played songs, and recommendations. Now, to sign out of your account, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find your profile icon, which typically displays either your profile picture or an initial of your name. Click on this profile icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account settings and preferences. From this menu, look for and select the option that says Sign Out. Clicking this will immediately log you out of your Amazon Music account on that browser. And there you have it. You've successfully signed out of Amazon Music. This simple process ensures that no one else can access your account or listening history after you've finished using the service on that particular device. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.